Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In this video, I'll be creating this romantic pink makeup look. With Valentine's Day around the corner, you can definitely wear it for your date, either with your special one or your girls. If you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. This is my bare skin right here. We're going to first use the Kama Ayurveda rose water and mist it all over my skin. Then I'm using the Embryoless moisturizer and I'm going to apply it all over my skin. And I'm going to massage it into my skin so that it helps us create a good canvas for foundation application. Really love the glow that it left on my skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Second Skin Foundation. My shade is Natural Beige. I have been loving this foundation of late. First, I'm using a makeup brush and applying it evenly on my skin. And then to blend the foundation, I'll be using a makeup sponge. This foundation is definitely a great drugstore foundation. You can go either natural. I like to use just 1 or 2 drops for an everyday basis, or you could go full coverage like I am doing now. Then for my concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I'm applying it in my under eye area and all the blemishes. And then I'll be using the PAC 073 brush. I have been getting a lot of questions on this brush. This brush is so good for your concealer, for your cream blush. I used to really struggle to get the concealer in the inner corner of my eye or even on the tighter areas, but this brush has helped me change my base game. I cannot put it down. Then to set my concealer in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 15 and I'm applying it in my under eye area. You will see that it instantly softens and mattifies everything and gives you that really beautiful flawless finish. And we're done with the base. I'm going to quickly fill in my eyebrows and there we have it, eyebrows fully filled. Moving on to eyes, I'm using the Rimmel Magnify eye palette. I'll put the correct name in the description box, you can definitely check that out. And I'm going to use this light pink shade in my crease and I'm going to thoroughly blend it out. I really like the undertone of this pink. It was not too loud and not too muted, exactly the kind of pink that I was looking for. And yeah, I'm applying it in my crease and I'm blending it out until and unless I'm happy with the pigmentation. Then I'll be going in with this shade, which is actually a mix of hot pink and magenta, and I'm applying it only on the outer 1/3 of my eye, really concentrating the color there because we don't want that color to go anywhere else, just on the outer corner. Once I'm happy with how it's looking, I'm going to use my blending eyeshadow again and go in with the first light pink shade that we used, and I'm going to blend both the shadows together. Then I'm using this pretty rose gold shade from the Sugar palette. Again, I will leave the name of the palette down in the description box, or you can check it out. And I'm using my finger to apply it on my lid. It's such a beautiful shade. However, I was not very happy with the pigmentation. I was not satisfied, which is why I'll be taking this eyeshadow on my eyeshadow brush and I'll be spritzing it with my Kama rose water. You can use any kind of face mist or you can just use water, and you'll see that the pigmentation will go from 0 to 100 and it looks so metallic and so beautiful. Now I'll be mixing both the matte eyeshadows that we used in the crease and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line so that it all looks balanced and the look comes together. For my mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes, and I'll be going in with 2 coats on my upper as well as my lower lashes. Your eyelashes will go from 0 to 100 within seconds using this mascara. I'm so happy with how the eye look turned out. Then for my blush, I'll be using the Rare Beauty blush. It's in the shade Grace. It's super duper pigmented. Again, I'll be using the same concealer brush from PAC, and I'll be blending it out. It looks so pretty, just the pink that you need for Valentine's Day. Then for my bronzer, I'll be using the Flower Beauty bronzer, the Heat Wave Luminous bronzer, I guess. Again, the correct shade names will be in the description box. Applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and my forehead, and you'll see it brings back just the amount of color that your skin needs. For lips, I'll be first lining my lips using the K Beauty lip liner in the shade High Impact. It's a beautiful, very pigmented, deep mauve shade. I'll be lining as well as filling in my lips using this lip liner. Once we're done with that, I'll be using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. It's a very pretty pink shade, but I really liked how it blended in with my lip liner and gave me a mauve pink shade that complemented my eye look so well. You'll see that in a bit. And the formula of this liquid lipstick is so good. It just makes my lips look so much fuller. And that is the finished look. Let me know how you guys liked the look in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts about any of the products, leave them down in the comment section and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed watching the look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.